Hello everyone and welcome to this new course. In this course, we will go over the entire process of creating this Moroccan Riad environment using Unreal Engine 5, Blender and Substance Painter. We will go over modeling in Blender, texturing using Substance Painter and setting up the scene, lighting and materials in Unreal Engine 5. This course includes over 9 hours of content and we will go over each and every step in this course together and nothing will be skipped. The course does not have any kind of time lapses so that you can follow every step easily. You will also be provided with all the source files required to complete the course. This includes all the reference images, textures, blend files, Unreal project files. This course is perfect for students that have a basic knowledge of modeling, texturing and want to learn how to create environments. Everything in this course would be explained in detail, but some prior knowledge of the software would be helpful. You will learn everything you need to know to create the final results that you see in the images and trailers. The same techniques can be applied to almost any type of environment. The main focus of this course is to teach how we can create multiple assets and combine them to create a larger scene. We will start by gathering some reference images to gain some initial ideas and the mood for our scene. We will arrange these reference images in a free program called PureRef. After this, we will move on to Blender and start modeling our assets one by one. We will model all the assets that you can see in the trailer and the images. We will be creating different arc pieces, pillars, balconies, doors, windows, etc. After we have modeled all our main assets, we will export them to Substance Painter to texture them. After texturing, we will move to Unreal Engine 5 and set up our scene and lighting over there. We will make use of the new features of Unreal Engine 5 such as Lumen to get realistic lighting and global illumination in our scenes. Then we will spend some more time creating some small props for our scene to further enhance the look of the scene. We will end this course with setting up different camera angles, taking high resolution screenshots for our portfolio, some post processing and compositing. So I hope to see you there in the course. Thank you.